Hi there, Michael Eskin here with an abcjs website theme builder demo. You can create your own themes for the website builder, and a theme is essentially a set of colors, shapes, and font definitions that allow you to customize exactly how you want those websites to look. So to do this, I'm first going to just build a website here from the San Diego Cultist chapter tunebook, and I'm going to just use one of the built-in themes. So if we go to website settings here, you'll see that under Style and Options, there's 29 built-in themes. These are different colors for different genres of music. But I'm going to go ahead and just use this Irish Pub Songs one, and we're going to build this website. And you can see it has the shamrock look with all the green and all that. But let's say instead we wanted to create a website for a bunch of Swedish tunes, and we wanted a theme that sort of had the Swedish flag and the colors of the Swedish flag in it. And that's actually very easy to do. If you go into the instructions, you'll find an item for the website theme builder, and just click on that. And this is a tool that allows you to start with one of the built-in themes and then modify it to do any kind of customization you want, including custom CSS if you're familiar with that sort of thing. And to create the Sweden theme, I'm going to just start with the Quebecois theme, because this is a very simple theme with just some colors and a header. And now you can click this full screen preview button. It'll show you what the website would actually look like. And I'm going to change the name of it to Sweden. And I'm going to change this ornament character, that's what goes up on the corners here. And then instead of this little cross, I'm going to use a feature on the Mac to bring up an emoji keyboard. And there's probably something equivalent to this in Windows, but I believe it's Control Command Space, and you can type in what you're looking for. So if I just want to type Sweden, it'll give me a Swedish flag, and that becomes the ornament character, and you can see that shows up over here in the preview. And then we're going to want to change the header colors here, so this gradient will match the Swedish flag. So we're just going to go to Header and Shadows. We're going to click this Sample Image Color, and that allows me to open up a image from my desktop here. So I'm going to bring in a picture of a Swedish flag that I found, so I can get the colors. And what I can do is I can click anywhere in this image and it'll copy that color to the clipboard, and then I can paste that into the header start color, and then I can click on the yellow and I can paste that into the end color. And you can see we get this nice gradient now of the Swedish flag colors. I'll go ahead and hide the sampler, and we can see what that would look like full screen. So this is going to be what our website will look like. And now I'm going to save that theme file. So we're going to call it Sweden theme.txt. And we'll go back into the website builder. And now on the website settings, under Manage Settings, you can click Import Custom Theme, and you can point it right at that theme we just created. And you can see now under the theme it's selected Sweden. And then we're going to do Build and Save Website. And we'll open that website. And you can see now we get the theme applied. We have the Swedish colors in the header, and we have the nice little flags in the corners. And we have a website that's now built around that custom theme. So it's a very powerful but fairly simple tool to use. You probably want to be somewhat familiar with CSS, but you don't necessarily have to be, as you can see. If you just want to create some simple changes like what I just showed you, it's fairly straightforward. There's also full instructions explaining exactly how to use all of the features of the theme builder, so please check those out if you need any information. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to send me a message on the Facebook group or in the groups.io group.